If you've upgraded to Windows 11 and found yourself clicking Show More options every time you right-click, yeah, you're not alone. Today, I'll show you how to bring back the classic context menu with just a few clicks. Before we jump into editing the registry, here's a quick safety step I always recommend. Backing up the registry key we're about to change. It only takes a few seconds. Press the Windows key plus R. Type Regedit, hit enter. Navigate to H key current user, software, classes, CLSID. Right click, export, and save a copy of the key. The registry path to this key can be found in the video description as well. I will first show you how to add the key manually, and then I'll show you how to add it with command prompt or PowerShell. Right click on CLSID, new, key. Get this key name from the video description and paste it in here. Right click on the key you just created, then add this key to that. On the right side, double click the default value, leave the value data blank, don't type anything, click OK to save it. To apply this setting now, restart your machine or restart your Windows Explorer via the Task Manager. If you change your mind to bring back the modern Windows 11 menu, just delete the key we just added. Method 2, you can do this through command prompt or PowerShell. No registry digging required then. Click in your search bar and type in terminal and hit enter. Copy this command from video description and right click to paste it in. Hit enter to add the registry key. To apply this setting now, restart your machine or restart your Windows Explorer via the Task Manager. To revert this setting via the command prompt, just copy and paste this command in from the video description and restart your Explorer again. And that's it. Classic context menu restored. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Windows tips.